Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss Python for Data Science NPTEL Assignment for the week 3. Week 3 Assignment 3. Our first question is, which of the following is the correct approach to fill the missing value in the case of the categorical variable? Answer will be option C, that is mode. Question second, answer will be option A and option C. Question third, the method df cars plot describe will give the description of which of the following column. Answer will be option C, that is price in lakh. Question fourth, which pandas function is used to stack the data frame vertically? pt.concat bracket pd.concat. Question fifth, which of the following are libraries in the Python? Pandas, matplotlib and numpy. All these are libraries used in Python. So answer will be option D, all of these. Question sixth, which of the following variable have a null values? Answer will be option C, review date. Review date have null values. Question seventh, which of the following country have maximum location of the coca manufacturing companies? Answer will be option B, that is USA. Question 8. After checking the data summary, which feature require a data conversion considering the data values ahead? Answer will be option B, that is review date. Question 9. What is the maximum rating of the chocolates? Answer will be option B, that is 5. 5 is the maximum rating of the chocolates. Question 10. Which of the following output code? What will be output of this code? Answer will be option A. Question 11th. What does df.info provide? This answer will be option A. This provides the summary of the data frame including the numbers of the non-null entries. Question 12th. Answer will be option B. Square bracket 1, 3, 5. Thank you guys. We have completed all 12 questions of our assignment. Now we can submit our assignment. And I hope this video is really helpful to you.